Most families will do everything to qualify for $1 million mortgage. What they don't realize is that a mortgage on their name is not truly theirs 100%. You still have to commit to paying it off month per month. On top of it, add the annual property taxes, utilities, bills, maintenance costs. Now tell me, is it smart to stretch your budget just to call yourself a homeowner? Look, I'm not saying don't buy a home, but ask yourself, are you actually ready? Because life happens and not always in our favor. Pwede kang mawalan ng work, pwede kang magkasakit to the point na hindi ka na makakayod, pwede magkaroon ng emergency, ma-wipe out ang savings mo. And if you can't keep up with the payments, you don't just risk losing the house, you lose everything that you put into it. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Life insurance works the complete opposite way. You can qualify for $1 million coverage and the monthly payments way lower than any mortgage payments. And what you're getting in return is guaranteed money, the full $1 million tax free, straight to your family when the worst thing happens to you. Hindi kailangan na meron kang milyon sa savings account mo ngayon. You don't even need that money sitting anywhere. You just need to qualify and the coverage is locked in. Same $1 million, completely different commitment. Which one are you actually going with? Comment one and below and I'll show you how much that coverage will cost you per month.